Alright, say something about a beautiful place here today. Grand opening today, Jade Tree, Roti Express on Liberty Avenue, 1803 Liberty Avenue. Say something about the grand opening. And she's smiling. Wow, that's a $1 million smile. What about you?
Right now we hope for the best. Food is tasty.
Service, keep up the service and the quality of food.
Right, I agree with you. How was the food? Good?
Tasty up to now. I had one menu and it's very tasty.
It was very tasty. And here's the manager over here. Look, manager, where are you going? Where you going, man? Say something to the camera. Say something to the camera.
Welcome to Tropical Jade.
All right. All right, you, but let's talk about the food.
The food was very tasty, you know. When I walk in the Tropical Jade Tree, I smell the food just come inside.
Right.
Oh yeah, besides Jade 1 and 2,
Right.
3 caters for everything, Chinese and Trinidadian food,
You're right.
local food. It's the best.
Best.
Trust me.
Well, no, this is Jade Tree.
Yes, Jade 3 is for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
And good roti business.
Oh my God, it's amazing. The roti is amazing.
That's right.
Food is amazing.
And this is the first roti shop you can get nice beverages, beer and liquor and your wine and your drinks. All right, what about you, man? Say something over here, boss.
Everything is good.
Everything is good, right? All right, man. Let's talk about Jade Tree. How are you enjoying the food? How are you enjoying the place? Let's talk about it.
Best doubles, best doubles.
The best doubles, only doubles. I want to hear the best food. Best doubles.
And best curry dog.
Best curry duck.
Yeah.
All right. Say something about Jade. Say something, Mike. Hey, say something to camera Jade Tree, Mike. Say something to Mike. Say something about the camera, Mike. Say something about Jade Tree, Mike. Oh, wait, you can run it like that. Don't worry about it. Somebody want to take camera? Take it off. Got you from Caraway. Hey, congratulations, Jade Tree. Nice.